Hi everyone. Now I am going to tell you about our project. Our team project is the food recipe app. If you love cooking or just enjoy discovering new recipes, you are in for a treat. Today we are diving into an amazing food recipe app that makes cooking easier, fast, and more fun. Whether you are a beginner or a pro in the kitchen, this app has something for everyone. So let's check it out. This food recipe app is packed with many of delicious recipes. For that, we first search the recipe that we need, and then it shows all the recipes that are available. There are more recipes, and if we select the recipe, it shows the ingredients and the ingredients needed to prepare the recipe. This food recipe app is packed with many of delicious recipes, instructions, and even ingredients to guide you. You can search for recipe based on ingredients, dietary preferences, or cooking time, plus features like meal planning, etc. Whether you are in the mood for a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this app has got a very covered. This is created using the front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. The code we have used to create this in HTML front end is we created the styles and all the features using the CSS in HTML in the index.css file, and then in index.html file we kept all the links that are needed for the recipes that are available by taking the link from the browser. And then in JavaScript we have created all the search bar and the buttons, tiles, displaying blocks, etc. If we go to port and if we go to live, the Byte Food recipe app is visible. Then if we check the food that is not present in it, it gives the message that the food is not available. If we search for a food, it gives the foods that are available. And if we click on it, it gives the ingredients that are needed to prepare it. Thank you. I hope that this our project app is useful if you love cooking or just enjoy discovering new recipes. You can move on to it and you can have a fun and enjoy the recipes by made by easily preparing it.